Hello guys, it's me, Ella. I have Jollibee blind box. What's this? Okay, let's open it now. I have this. Yee! Okay. Next one. I have a hellband. And card the Jollibee. Card the Jollibee, guys. Card the Jollibee. Yeah. Okay, next. Oh, a pen. Okay, let's open it. Open this. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh. Another paper. Look, another paper. Let's write a note. Heart. No, I. It's a I. And your I. And love. You. I love you. Look. I love you. Okay, let's open it now. Okay, let's open it.
Mana ka? Video?
Let's open it. Wait, guys. Oh, here you go. Not me. Steaks. I have this, guys. Where's this? I have this. It's a. Where's this? You drawing a circle, and it's a game. You drawing a circle and game. Drawing a circle and game. A girl is circle, and boys and X. Boys are X, a game. Circle and girls. Okay. Where's another card? Red and yellow. And fried chicken, and a fry. Nothing else. Jollibee, and a heart, and equations. Okay, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Subscribe my channel. A little bit messy.